Okay, good morning. Welcome to CupO'Forex. This is David Frank with your daily video analysis for Monday, the 27th of October. I hope everyone had a wonderful weekend. Taking a look at the Asian markets really quick today. They are mostly higher with Australia at a 6-month high. At a 6-week high. They're following the U.S. Lead on Friday. The U.S. markets closed mostly higher. This is also kind of shocking since the European Central Bank test was released on Friday and showed that 25 of the 120 banks failed the test, but Asian markets are mostly higher. Let's take a look at today's economic calendar. Not a really heavy news day. Just a bunch of medium impact events coming out. Starting at 9 a.m. GMT, we have the IFO business climate, IFO current assessment, IFO expectations. We're expecting these numbers either to meet or come in slightly below expectations. You gotta remember the European economy as a whole is not doing very well. We do have a stagnating economy as well as deflationary pressures on the euro dollar at this time. We will be taking a look at the euro more in our technical analysis section. As far as the business climate, we're expecting it to come in softer than last month at 104.1. As well as the IFO current assessment, we're expecting that to come in softer than what it did the month previous. We're expecting that to come in at 110. A little bit later on today at around 1400 GMT time, the United States will release this market PMI composite. The previous number came at 59. We're expecting it to meet that number or exceed expectations. One number that's very interesting coming out today for the United States at 1400 GMT are the pending home sales. This number contracted last month at minus 2.2%. We're expecting this number to come in today, erasing those losses and meeting expectations. We'll be watching that. Also coming out of Japan today, later on this evening, in 20 hours at 23:50 GMT time. Japan will release some retail numbers, large retail sales numbers as retail trade, and both month to month and year to year. Also, not really big impacting numbers, but they'll be interesting to see what they come out at. Let's take a look at some technical analysis for today. Okay, let's get started with some technical analysis. First off, I want to look at the euro dollar. I mentioned that during our calendar overview for today. Back in October, we formed what was called the hammer candlestick, and we had a bit of a recovery for the euro. I want to note two technical levels at today. First off, technical support at 1.25. That's a key technical level. Above, we have another key technical level, a resistance at 1.28500. Note, we are bouncing between the two. Until we have a move in either direction, we're going to be consolidating quite a bit. The euro remains quite bearish as we are still below 1.28500, as well as the 55-day moving average, which you can see here. As long as we're staying below these two indicators, the picture is not very bullish for the euro. So today I want to take a look at the pound dollar today as well. We noted last week that we had formed a head and shoulders pattern, which is what you can see here. This is a bearish pattern, as we seem to have hit a top right in the vicinity of 1.61930, 1.62. This is a technical level which we seem to be bouncing off of. We then retreated back to a technical support level of 1.600. We met good support, and we've since recovered again. It looks like we could be stuck in a bit of a consolidative pattern for the next, for this week at least, or at least Wednesday, Thursday. We're expecting, any minute now, the Bank of England to start normalizing its economic policy and possibly raising rates. If that happens, that'll be good support for the pound dollar. Lastly, today I want to take a look at the yellow metal gold, and let me open up that chart real quick. Here we go. Quite interesting. The yellow metal did appreciate quite a bit after being in a bearish one which was over a good period of time. We went back to beginning of August where you can see the shooting star forming here, and then the yellow metal depreciated quite rapidly over the last several months. We did hit a low at around 1182, 1181.50 in this area here. Then we see a bullish candlestick forming, and then gold shot higher again. This is the 55-day moving average. When gold hit this area here, and we see a technical support level of 1255.10, which is supported by the 55-day moving average, we retreated. You can see the evening star candlestick forming, and then gold starting to depreciate again. This is a very strong level at 1255.10. Until we break that level, we're not going to have the recovery that we would like. We can see right now that it has lost some downside momentum, but we're going to have to watch this today. It's not confirmed yet. All right, I want to thank everyone for listening. Have a great day trading, and we'll chat again tomorrow. As always, please click in the upper right-hand corner to join our YouTube channel. Talk tomorrow. Have a wonderful day.